How you can perform a TRX side leg lift safely and with good form. Target muscles. Primary, gluteus medius and minimus, side glutes. Hip abductors, outer thighs. Secondary, core, obliques and transverse abdominis. Gluteus maximus, stabilizer. Quadriceps and hamstrings, support. Shoulders, arms, holding straps. How to do it. 1. Setup. Stand facing the TRX anchor point. Hold the handles with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Keep arms extended slightly in front of you with a gentle bend in the elbows. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. 2. Engage core. Brace your abdominals to stabilize your pelvis. Keep chest upright, shoulders back. 3. Lift to the side. Shift weight to your left leg. Keeping your right leg straight, or with a soft knee bend, slowly lift it out to the side. Control the movement, don't swing. Lift until you feel your outer glute and hip engage. 4. Return. Lower the leg back down with control, avoiding resting fully on the floor if you want more challenge. 5. Repeat. Perform 10 to 15 reps per side, then switch legs. Tips for better form. Keep toes pointed forward or slightly up. Don't rotate the hip. Avoid leaning sideways. Your torso should stay upright. Focus on slow, controlled lifts rather than speed. Use the TRX handles only for balance, not to pull yourself. Check my next video. Thanks for watching.